Coming up on today's FNN, construction is underway on the newest addition to East Kentwood.
Plus, we sit down with the award-winning EK teacher to see how she is planning on improving classrooms for all.
And highlights from Friday Night Football and the girls' golf at the state finals. Stay tuned for all that and more because FNN starts now. Happy Wednesday, Falcons. I'm Kareem Suleiman.
And I'm Denai Cartwright.
For many students at EK, Ms. Miller is an art teacher. But what you may not know is that she was recently recognized at the national level. I sat down with her to learn more. Ms. Miller has been teaching art for 10 years, and her last 3 have been here at East Kentwood. Art isn't her only passion. She also cares about recognizing her students and their cultures, something she wants other teachers to experience.
I want to travel and I want to bring other teachers and staff members to the countries that our students are primarily from. We are really strong in relationship building, but we could understand each other better if we knew what schools looked like in different countries that kids are from. We can ease that transition.
Miller was recently named the winner of the 2023 National Education Association Global Learning Fellow, the only teacher in the state of Michigan to win this award. Now, she wants other teachers to help understand their students more.
For me, I think I want our teachers to understand our students in a way that they wouldn't get without traveling.
Miller's ultimate goal is to help students learn and grow while feeling seen and accepted.
You can't learn if you don't feel accepted and you don't feel safe, and part of feeling accepted and safe is feeling seen. And being seen is understanding your culture and where you're from, and your family, the way you were raised, a multitude of things.
This summer, Miller will join several other teachers in South Africa to immerse themselves in culture and continue to improve the classroom of each and every Falcon. In Kentwood, I'm Kareem Suleiman.
As you walk through the East Wing, you may smell a variety of foods being made, and that smell is going to get stronger as East Kentwood expands their food class. Culinary Arts will help students get a taste of working in the food industry. This includes not just the food side, but also the business side of restaurants. East Kentwood head principal, Mr. Backery, says that the Culinary Arts program will make a big impact on the school.
If you take a look at our previous kitchen, it is probably from the 1980s, and it was time to upgrade, but we want to make sure that our facilities are comparable to colleges, not other high schools. So when you see this design completed, I think everyone will be proud, and obviously with learning in mind, they're going to get the most out of it.
This project is expected to be finished in May and will be ready for you Falcons for next school year.
The Science Department has been hard at work expanding the popular STEAM fair with summer camps for kids. STEAM, which stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, Arts, and Mathematics, is something that kids can experience with over 6 different summer camps. Elementary and middle schoolers across the district work with high schoolers to learn about various topics such as ecosystems, robotics, and engineering. The camps were organized by Mr. Van Houten, who believes it went well.
It was definitely a success. We had kids always wanted to come back the next day, excited. They made good relationships with their counselors that were from the high school, and for the first time through, we're very pleased with how it turned out.
At the high school, students may have similar opportunities, so join a science class you're interested in to learn more.
That wraps up today's news, Falcons.
Now let's pass it over to Jason Yosifowski at your EK Sports Report.
What's up, Falcons? I'm Jason. This is your EK Sports Report. The EK football team was coming off a big win heading into Friday night, and they're looking to keep up the momentum. Let's check those highlights. Ben Cash completes a touchdown pass to Jaden Woodson for the first touchdown of the game. Ryan Moore completes the extra point to give the Falcons an early 7-point lead. Nate Cobbs catches a pass that is good for another Falcon first down. Then Ben Cash spins into the end zone. The Falcons defeated Hudsonville by a score of 29-20 to clinch a playoff spot. On Friday and Saturday, the girls' golf state championships were held at Bedford Valley Golf Course. For the girls, Elise Fennell led the way with a second-place finish. We spoke with her about how the course impacted her play.
On the back nine, it was just more of placing the shots in the right spot, so maybe not taking driver, hitting 3-iron, getting in the center of the fairway to attack the pin.
A big congrats to Elise and the football team on the performances this weekend. That does it for today's sports report. We'll see you back here on Friday. Now let me sauce it back to the desk.
Kareem, was you at the home game last Friday?
I was DJing the whole time. Are you gonna be at this Friday game?
Yes, y'all catch me there.
Well, you heard that here, Falcons. Let's wrap up this week's show with Kai's question of the day.
Friday's game is going to be pretty intense, physical. You should expect a win, honestly. We're really prepared. Had a great week of practice last week, and we're going to have another great week of practice this week.
I think y'all should expect a really physical game. It's going to be a really good game. Football weather, we're already in the playoffs, but that don't really matter. We're going to play hard no matter what, get the dub, finish off 6-3. That's the goal. So.
All right, y'all. Anything else y'all want to say to Greg, Joe?
Hey, make sure y'all bring your leashes on Friday night.
Dog food, young get 50, we want all blue.
Well, that does it for this week. I'm Kareem.
And I'm Denaya.
Make sure to follow us on Instagram at the Falcon News Network to check out some of our new Instagram stories.
And subscribe to us on YouTube to check the latest episodes every Wednesday and Friday.
Have a great week, and we'll see you back here Friday.